We will practice page 595. Let us read together number 1 and start to solve. If the current in a wire of CD player is 5 watt, read it, 5 milliampere. How long? So what is unknown? I'm asking about the time. It will be taken for 2 columns. So this one it is Q. Pass through cross-sectional area. Let us write our steps. So the given is what? What do we have? 5 milliampere. So the current is given 5 milliampere. I will use it as it is? No, I will convert the milli to what? To by times n. Yes, 10 power negative 3. So it will be 5 times 10 power negative 3 ampere. How long? So the time is unknown, delta T is unknown, the Q is given, it is equal to 2 column. What is the formula for electric current? I, it is equal to what? Q over delta T. We can draw the triangle for the current. So it will be what? The triangle Q up and down I and delta T. What do we want? Delta T. So the formula it will become Q over I. So delta T, it is equal to Q over I. Q, we get it, it is about 2, and current we have it 5 times 10 power negative 3. Okay, it is so easy to do it and to find the final answer. So here you can times up in 5, you can times up in 2, or instead of confusion you can use your calculator to find your final answer. Okay girls, so it is so easy. Let us do number 2. Here in a practical television tube, the beam current is 60, read it, microampere. How long? So the time is unknown, but is what? How long does it take for 3.75 times 10 power 14 electrons? This one, it is what? Number of electrons. It is not the Q. It is not the Q. Did you remember the first step that we have to do to get the Q? Did you remember chapter 16, section 1? To convert from electrons to column or to convert from column to electrons. There is no formula, it is just a cross product. Let us solve. So here number 2, we have the current given, it is equal to 60 microampere, so it will be equal to 60 times 10 power negative 6 ampere. Number of electrons, you will use it? No, I will not use it. So here we will write the formula that 1 column, it is equal to what? 1.6 times 10 power 1 electron, it is equal to 1.6 times 10 power negative 19 column. Okay, what do we have here given? The number of electrons or the column number of electrons? So I will write it here. So it will be 3.75 times 10 power 14. You will do cross product to find what? To find the Q. Excellent. When you will find the Q, خلاص, do our formula. The unknown is here what? Is how long. So it will be also delta T. When you will get the Q, so you will write delta T, it is equal to what? Q divided by I. Because the triangle, this one, Q delta T I want delta T, so it will be Q over delta I. يبقى the first step that we will do, we will convert the micro by timing in 10 power negative 6. Then we will convert the number of electrons to number of columns. How? 1 electron, it contains 1.6 times 10 power negative 19. This one 19. here number of electrons given, I will put electrons under electrons, then I will find the number of columns. Okay, the Q, it is unknown. I will do my cross product to find the Q. After finding the Q, I will use the formula for the electric current, delta T Q over I. At the end, girls, I will send you the answer key. Okay, but I explained it now. Number three also, it is how long or number of electrons given. So it is same idea. Also the current is given in milli, so you will convert the current to 10 power negative 3. Number of electrons given, you will do the same step to find the Q. Okay. Number 4, the electric current given, it is 40 ampere. How much charge? So the Q is unknown. And the time given 0.5 seconds. So when the Q, it will be unknown, so the formula, it will become what? The formula, it will become I delta T. And number 4, Q, it is equal to I times delta T. All they will be as a homework. Okay, I'm explaining their idea. Number 5, you have the amount of the charge given, it is 9 millicoulomb, so you will convert it to coulomb times 10 power negative 3. The cross-sectional, through certain cross-sectional area, the time is given, so we have Q and we have delta T. The unknown is current, so Q divided by delta T. Q divided by delta T, you can get the electric current. Then, how many electrons will pass through sectional area in 10 seconds? Number of electrons through sectional area, the time is different. So here you will find the Q. You will find the Q when the time will be 10. You have here the Q will, letter B, the Q will be unknown. The current, you will use the given that you will get in letter A, it was unknown. Now in letter B, it will be given, so you will use your value here. And the Q will be unknown, and the time, it will be changed. And it asks you if the number of the charge will pass during a certain given time will double. What is the current? طبعا the relationship, I didn't write it before, let me write it. The relationship for this formula, it is about I equal to Q over delta T. So here, more Q, more electric current, we have direct relationship, and the current time, they are what? Inversely related. So more time, it means that the current will be what? Less. Okay, so to ask you letter C, what will happen if the Q will be doubled? So the current will be doubled. It is so easy. Okay, we will complete.